Okay, so welcome back. Now today we're going to start talking about US Customary Units and unit conversion. So in the US and Canada we use what's called the English system or the US Customary system. Those are the only two places I'm aware of that uses the English system. The rest of the country uses the metric system, which we're going to talk about a little later. So we're going to go through a lot of different measurements and a lot of different units, and a lot of these come from agricultural backgrounds, sailing background, and cooking and things like that. Okay, so these are the basic categories, right? Groups of measurements. So we have lengths. So these are the common ones for lengths, weight or force, and liquid capacity. Okay, so these are units that you should know. Memorize them. It's expected that you know them. You're not going to be giving these on tests, and you should be able to convert from some of these. Now, here's the thing. There's lots of different units that you can look up that come from agriculture and stuff like that. So, for example, a mile. Well, we know a mile is 5,280 feet, or if you're looking at like an engineer, they might look at it as part of yards, so it's 1,760 yards. Or let's say rods. If you're a surveyor, you're measuring rods, so that's going to be 320 rods, equal to 1 mile. Or let's say you're, let's say you just want to convert to the metric system and you want to use meters, then that's going to be 1,609.344 meters is equal to 1 mile. Or let's say, let's say you're a horse racing fan. Well, then that would be equal to 8 furlongs. Or let's say you're a science teacher and you just want to give your students a test and just irritate them. So then you could give them the number of inches, right? So the number of inches in a mile would be 63,360 inches. And I think that's it. What else? Yep. So, I mean, if you want to do conversion, so those are all ways of doing conversions. And trust me, we'll get into more of that. And see you next time.